New York City.
Hello. Hey guys, I'm in New York City, just hanging out. I am in New York City. Yes. No, for you guys, I am literally in the Big Apple, New York City, just here chilling. It's nighttime. It's currently 9:18. I've been trying matchas, trying all these restaurants I've never tried before. I came back and tried Planta Queen. I ate there for my 21st birthday when I came up here for like a few hours. Came up here, tried Planta Queen, fell in love, knew that when I came back, I had to get it again, and that's what I did. Planta is a all vegan restaurant, basically. And as you guys know, I'm a pescatarian of, let me see, what the fuck? It's gonna be 14 years this year that I've been a pescatarian. So yeah, that's just a little sprinkle of lore about me. But yeah, I'm in New York City and this is the last night before I leave. I just always wanted to make a video, just like being in New York City, chilling, just kind of here, you know what I'm saying? I want to be a regular of New York City. But what I've done so far, first day I got here, let me think, why is my mind just like going blank? Do your guys' mind just like kind of go blank? You just kind of zone out and you're not even thinking about anything. You're just like zoned out. Okay. First day that I was here, immediately tried Cha-Cha Matcha. It was mid, overrated. Maybe it was overrated and mid because it was actually in Penn Station, Moynihan. Maybe that's why I was mid, or maybe Cha-Cha Matcha just mid, I don't know. But after that, checked into the hotel room, then went out to explore. I tried this ramen spot. The ramen was so good. Low-key want to go back tomorrow before I leave. It was so yummy. I had like this Old Bay shrimp ebi ramen. Bussin', y'all. So bussin', so yummy. Yum-tastic, yumster, delicious, all of the above. Very good. Next day, got up, walked down the street from the hotel to this spot called Carnegie, something like that.
I gotta take a picture. Take a pic. Say click. Was you a door girl enough to know that? I'm very happy that I'm here right now. I needed a little break from my reality. Yeah. It's not bad. Really? That's just because you're used to the coffee flavor. It's definitely a decent quality. We need to remember what's the name of the spot. Pretty good. Forgot what I got for a second, actually. I feel like anything filled, anything cream filled all at once is kind of like a, you know? What? It's just a lot for my little mouth, you know.
Tried their lavender latte and their Nutella croissants. Off the bat, I didn't really enjoy the Nutella croissant. I've been on this like 21-day challenge where I'm supposed to be eating healthy, so my appetite for like super sweet things is just like kind of gone. So I did not finish that croissant, but I did finish my lavender latte. It was delicious, so good. I ended up coming again this morning to get it. But anyways, after breakfast, after freshening up, hanging out, editing, chilling, all those things, that's when I went to Planta Queen. Queen was yummy. Of course, I already said that. But after Planta Queen, I ate my leftovers. I still wanted to try something else. Then I made the fatal mistake of trying some random pizza spot down the street because I didn't feel like walking too far. Did not finish the pizza slice. It was not that good. I wanted to get cheese pizza with ricotta on top, but the guy was just like, oh, we'll just get the all white ricotta pizza and then we'll add some marinara sauce on the side. The pizza was dry and the marinara sauce was liquidy, so did not finish that. So I ended my night kind of on a bad note. I ended up not liking the pizza, didn't end up finishing it, but you know, I got the experience of having some sketch New York pizza, and I got a Snapple apple for like $5. I know that's absurd, but I was thirsty and he almost like begged me not to tip, probably because he knew it was freaking overpriced. But also yesterday I got this shirt for 20 bucks. Welcome to New York. Got this shirt for 20 bucks, and then I saw as I'm checking out for this shirt that they have Sony Angels. I've always wanted a Sony Angel. Sony Angels are so popular right now, so I'm like, yeah, I'll give me a Sony Angel. How much are these? The guy says 15 bucks. Initially I'm just like, dude, like there's no way this little figurine is 15 bucks, but I paid the 15 bucks. So I paid almost $40 for a t-shirt and a little tiny toy this big. Wasn't even one of the ones that I wanted, but first, Sony Angel gone down in history. Got a hamster. But yeah, that was yesterday. I decided I was gonna wake up and have a better day today. Trying all these matcha spots and all these restaurants.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. You gotta post that.
Yep. Then that's when I can start to post my room makeover TikToks so that I don't feel like those videos are going to waste, you know.
Some people, they post 5 times and just add different audio.
I know. Yep. Because that's what I miss, like the community. So today I woke up, went down to the Carnegie Diner and Cafe again and got the lavender latte again. So yummy, so delicious. But this time I got a bagel and cream cheese again. I don't know, my appetite just hasn't been there. So I didn't finish the bagel. It was pretty good still. I don't know, you guys, I've been drinking so much caffeine, so much coffee, so much matchas. I think that like I'm on a matcha diet or something. I don't know. But ended up coming back to the room, hanging out, chilling, vibing. But then I went and got some better New York pizza. This pizza was from Mama's 2. I don't know if you guys heard of Mama's 2, but Mama's 2 was too good. Love the pizza. I got vodka square slice or whatever. The spice, I got a little bit of hints. I got a little hint of the spice, the flavor.
A little hint of spiciness, like a little hint of soy sauce, a little hint of the tomato, you know, a little hint of the spice.
Yeah, that shit was delish. I low-key might go again tonight. I'll see how I feel if I want to go out in the New York City nightlife. I haven't done the whole like subway at night thing quite yet. We'll see. I might be down to do that for another slice of Mama's 2 pizza. I'm being so for real. Ended up getting that, but on the way to the pizza spot, I bump into Matchaful. I heard of Matchaful before. As a new aspiring matcha lover connoisseur, immediately knew I had to go and try it, see if it was worth the hype. On the way in, I see a sign for FKA Twigs's matcha. She had an Essexua matcha, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. Even though I barely know what the heck any of these ingredients are, I'm gonna give it a try. It was at first, but then I looked up the ingredients, understood the intentions behind the matcha, and I realized that this was supposed to be like an erewhon type matcha. Overpriced, sea moss, anti-aging, supposed to make your body feel good type of drink, not a super sweet, easy to drink type of matcha. Like, it wasn't that type of matcha. It was like a good, healthy, intentional, good zenful vibe type of matcha. And I ended up liking it. I would rate it like a 6.5, 6.9, 6.9, 6.7. 6.7. Anyways, it was decent. Then I came back home. Oh my god, this is not home. Could it be though? And now I am just in this room chilling, editing, trying to come up with some video ideas, find inspiration. Because if you guys don't know, my TikTok account got hacked. I had 2,260 followers on that TikTok page. Been on that TikTok page for like 6 years, and I just got hacked and I have to start completely over. So I've been emotional about that. And right before that happened, my hard drive went corrupt. I could only save like half of the files. Luckily, I was able to save the files, the 3 videos that I was working on at once, filming at once. If I didn't save those files, I don't know if y'all would see me right now. I'm just being real. That would have been my 13th reason. But luckily, I was able to save those files. So the videos I'm currently pumping out right now, y'all are blessed to see those. Very blessed. Almost did not have those videos for you guys. But this New York trip has been very inspiring. It's been helping me get back in the flow of making content, remembering why I'm doing this. I mean, when you've been working towards something for years and then it's all just kind of snatched away from you, completely out of your control, you definitely need like a rebirth, some sort of epiphany, some sort of just like experience where you are just like refinding yourself, reclaiming your reasoning. And that's what this trip has been for me so far, and it's been really good. But yeah, I'm here. It's a vibe. I literally see Times Square on the reflection of this building I'm next to. There are literal apartments and work buildings across the street. Early in the day, I can see the people working. And then right now, late at night, I see people winding down, enjoying their like New York City apartments. Like, are you kidding me? I even see some people with LED lights up in their living room. That's how you know it's Gen Z, because no other generation older than us would have LED lights in their living room. And I think that's pretty cool, knowing that there are Gen Z volunteers in New York City with their own place, high up, mind you, in New York City. I just think that's so cool. But this is such a vibe. I love New York City. It can get overwhelming at times, yes, but this is an experience to experience, okay? The view is crazy. The noise, the hustle and bustle is awesome. So many different lives going on. It's so inspiring. Everyone's in their own world. There's so much to explore. There's so much to find. There's so much to do. Like, possibilities are endless here. And I'm just so blessed to be on the East Coast so that I can just take a freaking train ride. It is 8 hours, I will say, but a little 8-hour train ride up north, and I'm in New York City, baby. I'm just very happy right now. Very grateful. I feel like I've just been tossed into an alternate universe. The way that my life is just kind of flipped around. There was a lunar eclipse. Literally, lunar eclipse happened. Woke up the next morning, TikTok gone. So I think I literally am a walking embodiment of jumping into an alternate universe, parallel universe. What's it called? What's the term? What is the term, you guys? It's like the tip of my tongue, the tip of my brain, the tip of my dick. When people like jump into their dream reality or jump into like a different reality, a different realm. I don't know. Am I too woke for you guys to understand that? I don't know. But yeah, that's just where I am. I don't know. I don't really have much other purpose of this video but to be a nuisance to the viewer that decided to click on this video. Tripping out on the bed is hard, so never mind, I won't trip out. Just book the hotel room. You ain't gotta do nothing. Just book the hotel room and watch your favorite YouTuber. This is the life to me. Like, just watching Leah Simone, chilling, kick back, random hotel in New York City. This is the life. But yeah, I don't know. I just hope that you guys are enjoying all of the content that I am pumping out. I am literally trying to become your favorite YouTuber. I don't know how exactly I have to do that, but I'm trying every single day. My dream has always been to be an artist, a creator, an entertainer of the sorts. So I've been doing this since I was a little bitty egg, a little bitty kid, a little bitty gremlin. I've been turning on the camera and entertaining whoever decides to view it, doing a little jig for the viewer. But yeah, I just am trying to expand my mind, expand my abilities, expand my limitations, try not to have any, just be a better version of myself, a bigger, better version of myself. That's all that I can do and can be. And I just hope that it finds the people that resonate with me. I'm just seeing people literally live the life that I dream of. I'm seeing with my own eyes in reality, not just a dream, not just a fictional story, like real stories, real lives, real people. I'm real. I'm a real person. I have a real life, you know? So I think I have every reason to be able to live that life as well. So if you want to support a girl like me trying to become a content creator, an artist, make sure that you are subscribed. Check out my other videos. See how you like me. See if you like my vibe. Yeah, I don't know. Share, be my friend, comment. I don't fucking know, you guys. But yeah, I'm in New York City. Just hanging out. Just chilling in New York City. Had a good time. I'm sure I'll be back for like fashion week, some creator events. You know, I have a lot of friends here. You know, I'm super cool. You know, people recognize me. People invite me out here all the time, you know. But yeah, so actually, yeah, but see you guys next week, same time.